So I received a sample of this adjustable folder shower chair in order to make a review video. So in the box, there were 7 pieces total, the chair itself, and then 6 pieces in order to assemble the legs. And these were very easy to put on. It took me about a minute. You don't need tools. There's just those little buttons that you snap into place, and it is put together just like that. The little rubber feet make it really secure so it doesn't slip. It's very sturdy. There are 5 levels of adjustment, super easy to do. You just push the little pin button in and then put it to whichever layer you want. Just be sure to adjust all 4 legs. In the front, you've got this gap in order to help clean yourself better, and you've got a nice cushy pad on the seat and on the back. There's also this great clip. If you have a shower head with a hose, you can clip that on for easy access. My only one problem with this chair is there are 2 buttons, one on each handle, and it's really hard to push those buttons and fold the chair up. But I found a very simple solution. I stood behind the chair, I pushed the buttons, and then pulled up the handles into my body, and that just worked great. Now it has this handy dandy handle, so you can cart that around pretty easily. The whole unit weighs about 10 pounds, so it's not too bad. The chair will hold up to 350 pounds, and when you fold it up, it takes up hardly any room at all. So I'd have to say that this is a nice shower chair. I would recommend it, really sturdy, and we are going to enjoy this a lot.